Diam and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a pack with me video because we're moving. So right now we live in a townhome and we are going to be moving into a temporary space until our house is done being built. I'm super excited to move, but I'm definitely less excited to pack. But I do have some tips that I want to share with you guys to make your packing experience less stressful and more smooth. So if you're interested in this type of content, be sure to continue watching and like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. So here are the packing supplies I got from Lowe's. I got a tape roller, some additional tape, some scissors, a pack of Sharpie markers, and I also got some trash bags. I picked up some bubble wrap and also some paper wrap for all my fragile items. I also bought these packing labels from Amazon. They are about $13 and they came really quickly in the mail. I really love these labels because they label each room in your house. They have one for your master bathroom, your master bedroom, different bathrooms in your house that you can identify. They had labels for your dining room, for your study, your living room, kitchen, and that's just to name a few. They had plenty of labels for all over your house. They even had a label for fragile items, which I definitely used a lot. And they also had a label that was blank just for your miscellaneous items. So now off to packing my kitchen first. If you're new here, don't worry because I am too. This is actually my first video. So I'm welcoming you as you welcome me. Just a little bit about myself. I'm a wife and I'm a mother of one. I have a toddler boy named Parker. I work full time, so I'm super excited to do this for fun on the side because I love all things home. As you can see, we are moving in the coming months into a new construction single family home. So I plan to take you all on that journey with me as our house is being built. And even after that, when we move in and I start to buy furniture, decorate, and organize, everything involving making our house a home. I hope to give you guys motivation and inspiration as I start this new journey. So while I'm packing, I wanted to give you guys some tips. First, come up with a general schedule. Write down the day that you're moving out and then determine how many days you need to pack. We are doing about 1 room a day and we have a total of 9 rooms. I'm also accounting about a day for other aspects like prep day, getting supplies from the store, packing essentials, trash removal, donation drop-off, wall touch-up, and cleanup. So I'm accounting about 16 to 17 days to pack. From there, I calculate when I must start by and start a little bit earlier to give myself breathing room. It's always great to give yourself time to breathe when packing because we know this can be a stressful time when juggling everything else going on in life, work, school, etc. The second tip pertains to the items you plan to sell in your home. Go around the house and make a list of all the items you plan to sell before moving. Make sure you take pictures of those items before packing so that they can still look staged on the platform you choose to sell it on. Tip number 3, pack your essential day-to-day items. Separate your essential day-to-day items first. These are items you will need to use every day before the big move. This can include some clothes, your toothbrush, towels, medicine, and things like that. Make sure you store those items in a suitcase off to the side before you start to pack. Tip number 4, pack your valuables. After you're done packing your essential day-to-day items, pack your valuables in a separate box. It's important to keep your safe boxes, PII, and other valuable items packed in your personal car during the moving process just to keep a close hold of those items. Tip number 5, pack by room. I found that it was a lot easier to pack by room opposed to packing in a random order. When you start each room, map out 3 areas in the room. One for items going to your new house, the second for trash, and the third for donations. That made it a lot easier to determine what items were going where. The only exception I had for this method is packing room neutral decor items all at once. This included vases, wall decor, figurines, and things of that nature. That way, when I start to unpack in my new home, I can work to place those decor items where I see fit. Last but not least, and probably the most important tip. Tip number 6, label, label, label. In order to keep everything organized, it's important to label everything. As I mentioned earlier, I bought these labels from Amazon, and I will make sure to link them below in the info box. After you stick a label on your box, make sure to write down the general items in the box so when unpacking, it's clear what you will find inside. On our moving day, I plan to stick labels on each room so that the movers will know exactly where to put the corresponding box when delivering. This system will make for a speedy and more efficient move. For the remainder of the video, I will continue packing my kitchen and office. As I mentioned earlier, I hope this video can bring you motivation and inspiration to complete your packing. I'm so happy I got a lot knocked out. I hope my 6 packing tips were helpful for all movers. If you have other packing tips, be sure to leave them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, remember to like and subscribe. Until my next video, toodles!